Okay. In this lab, we'll build a profile lookup that looks up information about the people in a contact list. For example, name and the lookup profile. Fulfill the user stories below and get all the tasks to pass to complete the lab. You should create a function name. Okay, let's see the code first. Let's copy it to here so that we can just move a bit faster because for some reason it didn't work at the time. So yeah, okay. Hello, hello. Thank you for sticking. Thank you for how would I say? Thank you for joining. Joining along the journey. Caveat. Thank you for uh, helping me get the YouTube the hours. Just kidding. Thank you for just watching me yap and stare confused on why my code doesn't work, and it just turns out I forgot to add some space or comma or a dot or something like that. But yeah, thank you for stopping by. It is 150. It's getting okay. What when it was like 100, it was very depressing in the sense that holy shit, this is bad. We're probably gonna get until like 200, 300. I jokingly said, but I guess it's not a joke anymore. So yeah, a lot of things that happened, a lot of things I learned, and yeah, let's just get on to it. Okay, cool. So if the function receives a contact name and the property exists on the related contact, then the property's value should be returned. If the name passed to the function does not match any contact in the contacts array, okay, so I think which if block should be at first. Wait, yeah, I want to test. So if I do console.log contacts dot first name. Wait, I forgot. Is it contacts like this? I wanna. Oops. Okay. Wait 1 sec. No, no, no. Keep it on the other side. God damn it. Yes, okay, so if we use the bracket notation, that would access the element of the array. And then from there, I think we can do, okay, first name, okay, thank you, LSP, for helping. So that at least help with the confusion. So I think if name doesn't equals to yes, since the contact is global, that means we can actually contacts dot oh fudge. Okay, how can we do this? We're gonna list all of them, yeah. Should we, how can we do this here? If name doesn't equals to contact, because that means we need to do multiple, right? If name doesn't equals to contact first name, okay. If the property does not exist on a found contact, then the function should return no such properties. The contact array should still be present in the global scope. So of course, this is the contact array, so it's just going to be globally available for us. We have a function named profile lookup. Lookup profile Christian last name should return a string. Okay. If we do, wait, yeah. Index of length, does it exist? No, it doesn't. Okay, what is the unexpected token? Ah, okay, wait. Okay, it's undefined because it doesn't exist. Okay. How to know object length? JavaScript. Oh, okay. Don't use other packages. Just use. Okay. Property name is an array. The length property is used. Ah, okay. So if we do contacts, okay. So I guess what we can do is object dot keys. It's going to be contacts dot length. Yes. Okay. Okay, the thing is we already have this for global thing, and the other should no such contact, no such contact. Okay, so that means we could manually check the if else if they then doesn't equal to the contact 0 and then first name, contact 1 first name, contact 1 2, but that's a bit too long, no? Is there like a much more suitable way to do it? Like, is it okay to put an if in a for loop? I don't think that makes sense. Hello, mister. I have a video and post I want to post on LinkedIn since if you memorize object array method like the back of your hand, you'll fly through JS code. What's the task? So we need to make a lookup function. Like the test case already mentioned that it's just gonna be able to look up based on this array contacts. So my thought was to do this contacts if contacts 0 dot first name. Sorry, if name doesn't equals to this, but I wanted to do like an or, but then from like this until like 4, but it's kind of like, is it a bit long? I don't know if this is like the hard, what do you call it, the brute force method that I could think of. If name this, and then like an or contacts one first name, and then or contacts two first name, and then the 3, because I already check the console.log, sorry, console.log, let's just do contacts, let's just say 2, and then first name. It's going to display, okay, what the fuck, sorry, okay, wait, let me comment this out first. Like, yeah, we're already able to get the first name of these from here, but the thing is, should is that like a good way to do it? For loop? Yeah, my thought exactly to do a for loop, but can I put like a for loop inside of an if, or like how, what's like what's the play here? Or like the if inside of the for loop? Okay, contacts. Sorry, no, it's this one. Object dot keys contacts dot length, because it's gonna be 4. Like, is it weird to put it like this? Is it like possible? Oops. 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 You have a list of items, yes. Okay. Okay. But yes, so there is okay. You will look through and check until the target entry. Okay. Uh, so let's back up. Yeah. No, that doesn't work that way, is it? Not const. Let. Okay. Okay, let contact, not cons. A simple all-purpose is item, and you want off. So for let item, okay, not the in. Sorry. If name doesn't equal zero, return. No. Okay, the second task. Okay, in is for iterating over object key. Okay, yeah. Okay. Roger that. Okay, so we already, let's just say return no contact. Then it's gonna return to do that. Okay, so once you have the for loop, item is each individual iteration of your context array. Okay. Context. If name doesn't equals in a contact, it's just gonna return to this, right? So on the first pass, you have access to the object items, the first name, and then you perform your check. Okay. If name, is it contact? First name, yeah. No such the error context. Okay, but okay, what about the prop? But okay, and then you perform a check, but you don't want to return because you exit out of for loop. Actually, that might be wrong. Okay. Okay. Context start. Yeah, return will exit out of the loop. Yeah, no, that's not what we want, right? For let contact, is it okay to put another for loop maybe? Like, and then like, okay, or if name doesn't equal to contact dot first name. Okay, to be honest, yeah, okay, this part is, yeah, return will exit out of the loop. It's gonna return. So how can we check both the name and the prop? Yes, if it match the entry of the name as well as like the props, as well as the prop, like which is the last name number or like, it's just gonna return yeah. Yeah, if the name passed to the function does not match any contact in the contacts, I don't know if you could see it. Wait, let me stretch it a little bit. If the name passed to the function does not match any contact, uh, no such contact. If the property also does not match, then the function should return no such property. So do I make like two functions for that? If so, for every other iteration, you don't have to do anything. So how do you check the prop? Do I make another for loop for the prop? Should return the string. Oh, wait. No, no, no. We could do like the object.keys, right? Because if prop doesn't equal to any of the keys, it's gonna return the no such property, right? Okay, I wanna try. So object keys of contacts. Let's try. Okay, that's not what we want, does it? um, hmm. How can we sorry, I forgot how do we access. Hum, 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 hum. Nope, you already have access to it in the same way you have access to the first name. Actually, there's a faster lookup for that. Okay, what's the option? No, no, you want keys of the individual object. Okay. Okay. Check this out. Okay. I'm okay. Okay. Like using set. Once you have the item, that's the object. You want to check its keys. Okay, that's oh, if item has own property. Okay. Has own property. Ah, yes, okay, I remember. But I am still confused on how should we its own property. Can we put like different thing inside of this? No, okay. Is this like the thing is this is my thought on how to do it because the brute force way, but okay, so you don't need to compare against prop because assessment property returns boolean. Oh, okay. So how can we okay. So is it like this? Does this contact object have a property called first name? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's true, but how is it so hard to implement it? Is this correct? I'm not entirely sure. Okay. Sorry, I know it's frustrating, but like, do I do this if name contact and contacts dot has own first name like number and likes? What are the other props? I'm so sorry. If contact has name and okay, has own okay. So if I see. Okay, yeah, because this is already truthy, right? The contact first name. If contact first name exists, which means okay, and okay, thank you. And contacts, okay, contacts has own property prop. Checking if the name does not equal. Okay. Ah, yes, sorry. Oh my God, yes. Why am I okay? Yeah, 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 yeah. Why am I not? Okay, yeah. Thank you. How do I? Okay, okay, okay. How do I stop thinking so twistedly and confusing? Like it's such a straightforward answer, but I couldn't see it. Like it's yes, like I don't need to confuse with the oh it's not, but then yeah, just the contact has some properties. Just since we get the prop, it would do the check right away. So I wouldn't really need to confuse on like looping or whether or not that includes or not because the has some property. Yeah, okay, thank you. You have to kind of read it literally. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. I hope I didn't disturb my roommate. Okay. Whenever things get convoluted, the first thing I think of is it's probably much easier than this. Convoluted, overly complicated, and that thought gets me through a problem that seems to be complicated. No else. Okay, no else. If it's a no match, we have to print the no such property or no such contacts. Is that possible? So how do we print out the no such contact or the property? If it's not a match, I don't have to do anything. The next requirement is saying after I have searched through the entire array, then return that string. Yes. So there's no else? If you've made it that far, you know there's no match already. Exact. Okay. How about what if the prop name is wrong because it's two? Like if there's the prop doesn't exist, no such properties as well. Mm, so how can we do that part? How about the contacts? About the property. Okay, let's test it and see if that's. Oh right, yeah. So it is a nested if. Okay. Can I put the, what are they asking to do if both are true? If both are true, it's just gonna return the prop. So let's just say Christian and last name, it's gonna return boss. If it's Sherlock likes, it's gonna print this array. So it's gonna print the value of the keys, basically. So contact.prop, because we already know contact is the entire array from contacts. No. Yes, this is because the thing is, this one liner is such a straightforward way to do it. I didn't think about it, but yeah, thank you. Like I shouldn't overcomplicate stuff. Like I could just do that directly. The lookup and everything. It's just that how do we do the nested loop? Sorry, so I can help with your voice on Discord. On Discord, maybe. Okay, I'll go to the Discord chat, but I couldn't really open it on laptop because the stream is just gonna messed up, so I'm gonna open it through here to my phone, if that's okay. Oh, there are 8 people online. Hello. I'll go into the... Oh, there's memes. Oh, God. Well, okay, wait 1 second. I'll go into the JavaScript help, join voice chat. I'll turn off the microphone, if that's okay. I'll turn... Does that work? Hello, hello. Test, test. Check. Okay. Hopefully no feedback. Wait, where am I looking? In the code every day, there is a voice channel, voice help for the JavaScript help. I don't know if you could see, but is it okay? Oh, okay. Okay, let's hope we don't get any feedback. I turn on the mic again. Wait, yeah.
I'll mute my mic.
Okay. It works. I guess. Okay, let's try another one.
Try a prompt that doesn't.
Doesn't
Try a
exist,
prompt
right?
that doesn't.
Okay. Banana. No such property. Should work. Oh my god. Thank
And then
you.
a name that doesn't exist.
Okay. No contact found. Oh my god, it works. Thank you.
There you go, man.
Thank you so much. Oh my
So
god. Mm-hmm.
so it's just like you have to. Sorry, my feedback. Hopefully not. You just have to kind of read it quite literally. Object
Thank you so much. That's really helpful. Okay, let's. How can we? Okay. It has to be like this. Numbers not defined. Huh. Okay, let's try. Because if we just print the whole contacts, it's gonna print the array of that, right? And if we do contacts 0, it's just gonna print the first object. Yeah, okay. This is arrays of. Oh, I forgot. This is arrays of object. Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's arrays of object. We do that. We can do that, and then if we from here, then we could get all the other props, right? But if you want to get the keys, we can just, okay, no, not like that. Okay, so the one I did previously, object.keys, is because we have, it's an array of objects, contacts. That's why it works. Okay, no, it doesn't, okay. So I think we can do for flat key of contacts. No, it doesn't. Is it like that? No. It's gonna, yeah, okay. Because already an array. Yes, I forgot that this is already an array. I don't need to make it into that, right? What you doing? Practice. JavaScript practice. Gonna return arrays of arrays again, right? Yes, okay. From FreeCodeCamp. Okay, nice. I think we can continue with this because I think it looks pretty good. Thank you. Okay, what is wrong here? Okay. Oh, it's no such contact. Sorry. Thank you. That's done. Okay, nice. Got a Discord? Yeah, it's in the video description. I hope it still worked. The invitation. Um, Build a string repeating function. Okay, in this lab, you will create a function that repeats a given string specific number of times. For the purposes of the lab, do not use the built-in repeat method. Okay, you should create a function name. Okay, this is gonna be how can we implement the repeat, right? Okay, so I think for this one, it's good to if number is less than or equal to 0, it's gonna return empty string. Yeah, right. That's a good like first case. You should create a function. The function should always return a string. First of time. Thanks. Any ideas? Ah, okay. If you had done the full standard for loop, instead of using convenient let contact, you would have had to use contacts I, so the one you use is just a nice convenience. Okay. Like, we can just do the, like, so something like this, or or like the usual for loop, like for let I, is it the that one? No, don't worry about it. Just Roger that. Okay, okay, alles gut. This I might need to look at the docs a little bit to understand. Bro, can you help me? I'm searching a lot of info related topics. What infos? String repeating function. The function should return the string repeated specified number of times. Okay, I'm not entirely sure that the multiplication would work on a string, but JavaScript, right? Let's just I'm testing here. Not number. I forgot about that. Okay. How can we make it so that the string would be multiplied? How to multiply the string? without the repeat. Okay, how does the string method, the repeat would just do that, but how does the repeat method actually work? Oh, okay, this is, I didn't meant to find the answer right away, but I didn't meant to find the answer right away. I have compressed data, like media data such as pictures and images, a huge data set, pretty confused. Okay, like photos and videos to look to compress data to be trained the AI model. Ah, okay. To be honest, my friend is the AI expert. I'm, I could ask him if you want, because he's currently studying AI in Melbourne. Because there's a lot of bandwidth. Uh-huh. So it's like a vision model, right? Is it like a vision model, like the like a text to image generation type of model, or like, ooh, what is this? Channel images image model upside with diffusion. No, 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 no. Because to be honest, I haven't really dived deep into like making AI stuff, like training, all of that. The only thing I learned machine learning was in college was like basic stuff. Even like the training and everything is just simple. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, I forgot. If it's like this, then it would return nice, no? Yeah, okay, so it would just add it by itself. That is actually pretty correct. Okay, I get it now. Okay. If number is 0, it's gonna return that. So I'd like to make this early because I remember from like CS50, the professor did this every single time there's a condition where it would just return directly, put it at the top, and then we can do the other. Yeah, okay. Oops. Oh, okay. Ooh, I actually like this method as well, like making a temp variable. Let word, let str, I guess. It's just empty. And inside of this, it's just gonna be str added by the string, right? Or, okay, never mind. Is this possible? Iteration only needed where there is repetition. A number is greater than 1. Ah, okay. So, okay, no, actually, this is a 0 or negative set empty. Set. This is, yeah, it's like this, right? Oops. Yeah, okay, that works. That's pretty nice. Not that bad. Okay. You sure you can win but based on the compression but the the transfer user and the user doesn't really have bandwidth. We are not using surface data. We have like group of people that this of daily life. Images and video generation model and identification models. Mm-hmm. Oh, this is quite similar to the one yesterday. Is it the chunky monkey? No. Fortune teller? Logic checker? No. Longest word finder. Okay, I think it would be something similar to this. Or no, yeah. If you don't have the bandwidth, if you're asking user for these lectures, you need to have the higher performance processing server side. Like AI is in my area, but I'm just thinking as of IO in general. Uh-huh. Okay. So how would we do that? Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out the next question here. Okay, so yesterday, it's similar to this mutation algo I was assuming, and it's really good using set, but I'm still not very like confident using of it. Okay. But like my thought was that okay, the string needs to be lowercase first so that anything would be checked. We have like an array of comparison of the IOJDF, but then how does it know? Okay, this one actually need help. Missing a letter. Missing a letter. Yeah, let's just check the forum. It's okay. Okay, this one is regular expression, right? Okay, I'm stuck. Can someone help me without giving the answer? Please always include the link. Str length dot letters. This doesn't make sense. You're trying to compare a number to a regular expression. That is always going to be false. Instead of trying to code this solution first, or going to write out a plain English, how would you go about solving this problem? Indicate the alphabet. If all letters in there are present, then return undefined. If a letter in the STR is not present, then return a missing letter. Must be in the correct order. I think the developer is writing code to take the order of the letters into consideration, which are wrote as the key. Don't have details. Step 2. This is starting. the functions was do now. So appreciate the honest feedback. Create a variable for the alphabet. Create a for loop that checks if all the letters in the str are in the same order as they are in the alphabet. If I do try giving more details. Hey Zuko, I went through your description code and basically you're right. You need to loop through, you need to tell how to know the position in the alphabet. Does using the sort would sort it alphabetically? Changing the string to lowercase and then splitting it and then making it like sort. Ah, okay, he uses the okay. I thought my code used a for loop to look through string ABC, then uses a new statement if the value are equal to the value of the same letters in the position in alphabet, return a missing letter. Otherwise, return undefined. Hi, can someone please help me with this problem? Never mind, I got it. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, let's do this one. I want to read an alphabet here. I want to compare with the provided string, but I don't know how to do it. I'm not sure I understand what this means. How would you find the missing letter if things were, say, written on a sheet of paper? Because I already know the alphabet. I just look at the sheet and tell the missing letter. Gotcha. Describe what you would do. Don't worry about coding it yet. Some things to think about. Will the string pass into the function always be in alphabetic order? So it's true. That means every single string that is inserted in the parameter needs to be lowercase and needs to be sorted alphabetically, right? Just to make sure. Sir, I want to know the solution of this, even though it's not related to the challenge. Oh, okay. Sort function actually making it alphabetical, so it is true. Nice. Okay. So Wait, what do you mean to lowercase is not a function? So okay. No, okay, split. Oh, this is gonna be complicated. No, no, no. It's gonna be cause split is turning them into array. So what we need to do is I know there has to be much okay to string. Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be to string. Oh no, this is not gonna work, yeah. Okay, that works. That works. Is it? Okay, let's see the test case. Damn, I'm solving like 3 problems and it took me this long. I thought I could finish it. Okay. Split is a method, yes. You're not including the string at the front that needs to be split. Okay, I think this one is correct, right? Alphabet sorted and split. So we got the alphabet, we turned everything to lowercase, we split it into an array, we sorted the array, and we got this. And then I think the other next part is to string. I don't know if it's like, okay, no, it doesn't work that way. I think I'm overcomplicating again. Okay. Ah, okay, to string and then dot join. Okay, okay. Can I do the opposite? Like join them and okay, I don't think so. Yeah, okay, we cannot do that, yeah. Ah, sorry. There we go. Nice, okay. That works. Thank you. Let string to lowercase split dot sort. It's not to string, but it's just join. It should be work. And then oh no, but it's okay. How can we now figure out okay, we already have both supposed to be the same. Now how can we figure out the okay. How can I figure out the next part? You know what? After this I'm going to sleep, man. This is hard. Okay. String lowercase. Split sort and join them. Now, how can we figure out? How can we figure out the missing alphabet? Oh, okay. For searching for one element in an array, use for loop like this. Can you do that? Okay. Oh, yeah. Man, I'm sorry. I'm already too tired, too exhausted. I can't. 1 second. Come on.
And a target.
1 second. Give me a few minutes. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Letters in JS have an associated number via shard code, and I believe it's sequential, and so if A is 7, then B is 10. So the way I would tackle this is try to follow the sequential from starting point, which would be the first letter in the array after you've sorted it alphabetically. Okay. Okay. What is the thing? Okay, char code. Okay, so let's do the char code. Okay. Okay. So this is my dumb interpretation again for I, but I plus 0 dot I. Okay, this is gonna be a bit difficult, yeah, because we need to have the same thing. Okay. You have to keep track of the char code of the previous letter you visited. Okay. Hello, hello. Abdul Rafehi, welcome. So the way you would tackle this is try to follow it sequentially from starting point, which would be first letter in the array. So since we already have these sorted, man, I'm so sorry. My brain has like suddenly stopped. Mm, take a break, bro. Okay, I guess we should just stop right now, right? And try again tomorrow. Okay, yeah, you're right. Tell me, what's the problem? It's this one. So we want to create a missing letter function. So if we're given this alphabetical letter, A, B, C, E, we should be able to return the one missing alphabet. If there is nothing missing, then it's gonna return undefined. Any ideas on like how I can make it? Ah, sorry. There we go. We can use the char code. I think I get that part. But how can we get, okay, char code at, because that means we need to get the index based on the letter, is it? But let's just say the word doesn't begin with A. That doesn't okay, no. If it's already sorted, then the index would be the same on both. Okay. But then if the input is okay, wait. I want to check something. So log alphabet char code at 0 65, and then if we do alpha 2, it's gonna be 65 as well, right? And if we say this is 2 and this is 2, it's gonna be this different. Oh yes, it's gonna be different because this is C, the small one, but let's just say it's the other same one. It's the 4. Yeah, okay, no need to worry about that because that's already the same. So no, yeah, okay, for let. Wait. String dot length. Does string have a length method? I forgot. String dot length. Does string have a length method? Oh, it does. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's not. Okay. Uh, string length. Yes. Okay. We can do string length. Okay. Ah, okay, okay, okay. 1 second. Let me try. This use ChatGPT. The point of this is to rely less on ChatGPT, but it's yeah. I mean, it would have been easier, but here I'm just practicing to be better. Okay, you know what? I'm starting to have I'm starting to have a headache, but the answer is almost there. But I think I'm gonna stop because suddenly I have a. This is I'm not joking. My head started to hurt physically. Holy. Okay, I'm gonna continue tomorrow. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. This is I'm not joking. I'm not kidding. It's sorry. I'm sounding like I'm making excuse, but okay. I'm gonna. No, it's okay. It's okay. I think I'll continue this tomorrow. If that's okay. And yeah, sorry. Wow, holy, this is actually crazy. I'm actually physically. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Harold, and everyone for watching. But okay, you know what? No. Let's try to do it again. Let's try to do it. Okay. Or you know what? I'll try to do it tomorrow. It's okay. Never mind. I'm confused now. Boom. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I lost it. It's almost it's like I'm climbing a a wall. I'm like 80% there and poof, fell. But thank you so much, Mr. Harold, for the help. That really helped. But I guess I'm just too tired. I guess. But I'm gonna try again tomorrow. We're gonna make sure that we finish shit this time. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. I hope everyone have a great and blessed, amazing day. I don't know why I suddenly couldn't think. But yeah, this is insane. I did. I did. Hello. I did make some projects. So to be honest, the projects I made was entirely vibe coded because it was like for myself. It's this. Okay, never mind. I don't have the account. But yeah. I mean like in the description we have Omwerk, we have the other stuff as well, and if you go to my channel site there are some stuff. Oh man, I forgot to put uh 8's website. I built this. I don't know if it's still working or not. I hope it is. Um, I want to add some, probably add some, oh, we add this to like the latest one. So yeah. Okay. That's it, guys. I don't know. I probably reached some sort of limit. We have, of course, Omwerk, which I really need to update. I want to add like a search feature where you could search like, oh, any topics, any category, things like that, like a search bar. I want to add that. And I also want to add probably blogs and then like the form to submit them. Like probably when you click submit resource, it's gonna go to a different page, which have like a form. And then that form can be checked by the admin to either be published or something like that. Because to be honest, as of right now, it's just like content and it doesn't really have a mode. And I should probably put more stuff here. But yeah, that's all the project so far. Probably make a better design as well. Yes, I know. This one is a bit too complicated. Like I haven't figured out like what's the best way to get this. When the string is sorted, the sequence is lost, so the comparison becomes incorrect. Ah, okay. What should we do then? Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm relearning the JavaScript basics again, so that I could at least understand even more about the code generated by the AI. Oh, okay. This is okay. This is the solution then. I think I've seen the same problems. I think yeah. Okay, this is okay. Okay. So we don't want to sort them because then yeah, we wouldn't really be able to found the what's missing. So let's scratch that ideas, I guess. So basically this gonna make it into an array of those letters of the alphabet. Text split equals text dot split, so it's gonna split it as well. If text split is equal return undefined, so that would work. Text split equals to AC. How does that work? Because they're not really the same. This one. Ah, he's using the splice from okay, yes, this is okay, yeah, okay. Equals text split. Yes, okay, okay, so okay, yeah, this one is what I was thinking. And from like Mr. Harold, like since this is like the first index of this is the tracking the previous, right? This one. So compare tags is going to be say z. Yeah, okay, I get it. I get it. Splice I tag split. Okay, never mind. I think I'm just gonna try again tomorrow. Which gives you something that you can check sequentially. Charcoded isn't what I would use because you don't really care about the index. Okay. Is this like the correct one? Okay, I'll try to. Ah, okay, shortcut. Okay, you know what? It's okay. I think I'm gonna try again tomorrow. Sorry, everyone. Okay, you know what? Everyone, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I guess I'm just too exhausted already because it's already almost midnight and I am tired for thinking too much. But no worries, we'll start again tomorrow. Sorry. Oh, actually, I'll try again tomorrow, and I hope everyone can help again. And yeah, this uses 2 for loops. Oh, okay. Still okay. Shortcut. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. No worries. I'll try again tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. This is the day 151. Getting more depressing each passing day. But yeah, we're grinding through it, I guess. We're just gonna make sure that we actually understand this and didn't fail interview again. But yeah. The character codes, and if the current one is more than one of the previous, then you've skipped a letter. Okay, that could also work, right? You can like summarize some them and compare. Okay, that's one way to do it, but I'll try another way. But okay, thank you so much everyone for watching and joining the stream. Thank you, Mr. Held, for the help, and I hope everyone have a great rest or enjoy doing your activities, whatever it is you're doing. I'm going to bed, so see you tomorrow, hopefully, or if not tomorrow, some other day this week. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. How learn day 1, 2, 3? Well, you could check the live if you want. It's all there. The stream. The 1, 2, 3. It was more like setting up like WSL, if I'm not mistaken, like setting up WSL, learning NeoVim, and things like that. And in the middle, it was more like some of it are learning projects, some of it making websites, some of it learning different tools, different courses, reading different articles, things like that. But if you want to see from like day 0 and day 1, it's right here. I'm just surprised that day 0 has like 2,000 views. I don't know why. But all the other is, yeah, some get 400, some get 20, some get like 400, 300. It's always random. This one get 1K views. This one also got 1K. I really don't know what really affects that. Yeah, but some of it are me making the project, some of me making other sites, some of me procrastinating doing other projects that has been delayed. Learning about NeoVim, learning about WSL, learning Docker, learning like designing in Figma, and using like different AI tools, different AI models. Yeah, making like UI, making projects, learning 3JS, CS50, data structure and algorithm, and yeah, right now we're doing more JavaScript, but yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, I'm gonna done my epic and I'm gonna go to bed. Bye bye everyone. See you.